Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be playing around with the pouch of chalk that I hauled in my last haul and seeing how it works when making colored acrylic. And then I'm also just going to be mixing some glitters and stuff, and yeah, that's basically it. So let's just go ahead and get started. I decided to use the pink one today just because, as you can tell by my towel, by my nails, I kind of like the color pink, kind of. Anyways, so I opened up the bag and then cut open the little cloth thing, put a few little scoops into the containers that I also hauled that are from Walmart, and I was just using a cuticle pusher that I got from Dollar Tree too, so you can use a spoon, whatever makes it easier for you. So it's already pretty powdered up, so I'm just like going in there and making sure it's like there's no big lumps, you know. So then I'm taking my Mia Secret clear and then dumping some in there, and then I started off with the cuticle pusher, but that was too small, so I went and got a spoon to get the job done way faster. Yeah, you can just see how much I add. Okay, so after I'm satisfied with that, I just put the lid on and started shaking it to make sure everything got incorporated and mixed well. And right here, I think I do my first swatch to see how it came out. Actually, no. I went in and added Mia Secret white to, you know, make it more opaque because I didn't want a translucent pink, you know. So I added a little bit of that, and now I'm gonna close it back up, shake it again, and this is my first swatch. So as you can see, it's like what color would that be? Like a kind of like a salmon pink, like a dark salmon is what I would call it. And I wanted it to be a little more opaque, so I'm going in and adding more white. And then shaking that up again, and we're gonna do a second swatch. Whenever you're mixing like chalk and acrylic and making your own powders, you just want to add some swatch, add a little more swatch. It's just getting it to the way you like it, so there's going to be a lot of adding and mixing and swatching just to make sure you get it how you want. And then I wanted it a little bit more pink. I went in with this Nail Supply Glamour acrylic in N4, and I'm adding a little bit of that in there. And the lighting also kind of changed because I turned my flash on here to see if it would look better. So yeah, it's gonna change it back in a minute. Sorry about that. So after I added the pink, I'm gonna go back in and swatch again. Still wasn't happy with it. I'm just showing you up close what it looked like. So I feel like the pink made it a little bit darker, but it did make it a bit more pink. I added more of the Nail Supply Glamour pink, shook it up, and now we're gonna swatch again. So here I'm showing you the color, or the bead, and then that's what that looks like. Overall, the chalk was actually pretty good. It was pretty powdered, so I didn't have any big chunks, but as you can see, there's some little dark spots in there. And what I did was, off camera, when I was done, I put it in a Ziploc baggie, and then I started, what's it called, compressing it, or smushing it, I guess, to try to get all the lumps out. And then I also put it through a colander, I think that's what it's called, and that got most of the lumps out. So yeah, that's what I did. And now here I'm using the little flakies that I got from Dollar Tree that I also hauled. So if you haven't seen my last haul, go watch it because I hauled a bunch of good stuff. So I just put some in there with a little bit of Mia Secret clear to see if the monomer would discolor it or anything, but it didn't. So I went ahead and added more to the container, and the pieces are a little big, so I had to add quite a bit of powder to get it to hold the big pieces. So you're gonna see that I'm gonna keep on adding more powder because the pieces were way too heavy. So yeah, like I said, the pieces were way too heavy and big. So again, off camera, I'm sorry I didn't film it, but I was okay with it at the moment, but off camera I'm like, no, these needed to be smaller. So I grabbed my powder, dumped it in a blender, like a Magic Bullet blender, blended it up a little bit, and now the flakes are much smaller, which I probably shouldn't have put it in the blender because I don't think that's safe, but I could not stand the big pieces so I did that, and now the flakies were a lot smaller and they were easier to pick up, and then that was that. And now with this one, I'm going in with these glitters that I also got from Dollar Tree, but I did not put these in my haul because I just got them the day I did this. It was like a pack of 6, I think. And then the big, like the chunky glitter, I hauled, and it's also from Dollar Tree. So I'm just making like a little fall little mix, you know. It gives me very Thanksgiving vibes, and I cannot wait for Thanksgiving. So I think I'm going to use this color in my next set. Anyways, I just put a bunch of glitter in there, swatched it, and then as you can see, the glitter was like a little bit sparse. I wanted it to be more packed with glitter, so I'm going to go back in. I'm going to add more fine glitters and more of the chunky glitter, and then just swatch again, see how I like it, and yeah. I'm just adding more of the chunky glitter, and I'm going to close it back up, mix it, shake it around, mix it some more, and now I'm going to do a swatch. And you know, just by looking at the powder, you could tell it's a lot more like densely packed with glitter. So I'm just trying to show you here if it would focus. And then that is the final swatch. I was very happy with that, so that's how I kept it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video of me just playing around and mixing my own glitter acrylic and colored acrylic with the Dollar Tree chalk. And if you have any more video ideas, please leave them down below. I will be filming myself doing my nails soon, but until then, here are some swatches of the mixes I made today. And please make sure to subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching.